Pagbabalik sa payo ng abogado. Para sa module na ito, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang pagpapatuloy sa criminal procedure. Ito ay handog sa inyo ni Atty. Bernardo M. Luceres ng payo ng abogado. Simulan na po natin ang module 2. Rules of procedure should facilitate an orderly administration of justice. Rules shall be liberally construed in order to promote their objective of securing a just, speedy, and inexpensive disposition of every action and proceeding. They should not be strictly applied, causing injury to a substantive right of a party to case. Instances wherein the court has relaxed procedural rules. The court has relaxed procedural rules to serve substantial justice because of any of the following reasons. A. Matters of life, liberty, honor, or property. B. The existence of special or compelling circumstances. C. The merits of the case. D. A cause not entirely attributable to the fault or negligence of the party favored by the suspension of the rules. E. A lack of any, showing that the review sought is merely frivolous and dilatory, and the other party will not be unjustly prejudiced thereby. Procedural rules are not to be belittled or dismissed. Nonetheless, the court always reminds party litigants that bare invocation of the interest of substantial justice is not a magic phrase that will automatically oblige the court to suspend procedural rules. To stress, procedural rules are not to be belittled or dismissed simply because their non-observance may have prejudiced a party's substantive rights. Question. Cite the constitutional provision regarding the power of the Supreme Court to promulgate the rules of court, which includes the rules of criminal procedure. Answer. The Supreme Court shall have the following powers: promulgate rules concerning the protection and enforcement of constitutional rights, pleading, practice, and procedure in all courts, the admission to the practice of law, the integrated bar, and legal assistance to the underprivileged. Such rules shall provide a simplified and inexpensive procedure for the speedy disposition of cases, shall be uniform for all courts of the same grade, and shall not diminish, increase, or modify substantive rights. Rules of procedure of special courts and quasi-judicial bodies shall remain effective unless disapproved by the Supreme Court. Question. What are the rules under the criminal procedure? Answer. There are 18 rules. These are: Number 1. Rule 110. Prosecution of offenses. Number 2. Rule 111. Prosecution of civil action. Number 3. Rule 112. Preliminary investigation. Number 4. Rule 113. Arrest. Number 5. Rule 114. Bail. Number 6. Rule 115. Rights of accused. Number 7. Rule 116. Arraignment and plea. Number 8. Rule 117. Motion to quash. Number 9. Rule 118. Pre-trial. Number 10. Rule 119. Trial. Number 11. Rule 120. Judgment. Number 12. Rule 121. No trial or reconsideration. Number 13. Rule 122. Appeal. Number 14. Rule 123. Procedure in the municipal trial courts. Number 15. Rule 124. Procedure in the Court of Appeals. Number 16. Rule 125. Procedure in the Supreme Court. Number 17. Rule 126. Search and seizure. Number 18. Rule 127. Provisional remedies in criminal cases. Question. May procedural rules be suspended? Answer. Procedural rules can be suspended if matters of life, liberty, honor, and property are at stake. The Supreme Court is not a slave of technical rules, shorn of judicial discretion in rendering justice. It is guided by the norm that, on the balance, technicalities take a backseat against substantive rights. We have just finished the second module. Let's check the next one. Thank you.